Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good. Me just hot, but me have to bear it for now, and me probably I contradict myself because I have on long sleeve sweater, but I promise you last night was very cold. Somebody put on this, and this is how I woke up. The only thing I did was to brush in my edges and put this around it to keep it down. So when I leave out, you know, it kind of looks slick and stuff like that. Anyways, I have few stuff to get done on the road. So I'm going to write them down together. Hot. I'm going to want to turn on the fan because it's a go too loud. So mommy I wait for me. That's the first thing. I need one band for my watch. I need to go for that. I need toiletries. What else? Oh, I need to pick up new appliance. Appliance, I call it our furniture. I don't know appliance, but just the appliance. And I need to make a thumbnail. Guys, I just finished film one content for koi bags. I don't know why I kept on saying koi bags, so it's C-O-E-E, so it's koi bags. I made a mistake with the pronunciation in that video. But you guys, by the time you guys already see it, so they sent me a dupe luxury YSL bag. I really love it. I have it right here, and I'm gonna pack it up because as the girl get the bag, I'm gonna transfer the things from the next bag to this one. So I'm gonna pack it up to bring it on the road with me. So if I make the thumbnail for that, because I don't love the quality, the lighting for the thumbnail that I took for it before. That's it for now. So I'm gonna pick out some clothes, guys. So this is what I'm gonna wear. I need the lint roller for this because this is full of bare lint. We do this off camera. I beg Jay to do it for me because it takes one heap of time. You see them tights here? Really comfortable. I love how them grab me. So I always invest in them. So them here when I wear on the road with my black sneakers because it's raining now. Well, it stopped, but it did a rain this morning. So I go wear them sneakers there that Jason bought for me. They are really comfy. I need a ring light too. If I can't get a ring light to them, I go buy one. Oh man, I promise somebody want a ring light, so might as well I just look if I can get one ring light for them as well. Let me fix the lighting. So in every handbag when I carry on the road, them have a pouch. In the pouch, I have a toothbrush. Okay, you know sometimes you eat something and your teeth mess up. I have an underwear. This is new, just in case, you know. Sanitary napkin, panty liner, and what else do I have in it? Oh, I want a little spray. A spray that come out of the Coach set that was gifted to me by Chantal. She got me it for my birthday. Really love it. So I took the lotion out of it. This one is cute and small. So this is the pouch, the lotion inside. I normally put my tripod because normally I use the big tripod at home, but when I go on the road I'm gonna need the small one. This is not my tripod, this is Jason's tripod, but I use it because he bought a new one. So my tripod, I'm gonna put in the watch because as I say, I need a band for it, and I might get a case for it as well. Also my purse, just I'm gonna double check if I have everything in it. Alright, I'm gonna walk with an extra charger, scrunchie, my lip gloss, and my chopstick. But I wear the bra here without wire because the wire bra them are earth. So plus today is a rainy day and I just want to be comfy and move around. Talking about that, like I'm there, so I'm gonna look one clothes for Jason. I don't normally look Jason clothes, but sometimes I will. Jason, if you're there, can't get easy. Jason will literally wear a yellow shorts with a purple top, a orange shorts with a green top. I want it sound bad because it look bad. Jason, we wear a yellow shirt. Me say yellow shirt? Jason, we wear a pink shirt with a green shorts. and him don't care. Sometimes we just want him to make the clothes them complement each other. So make I just look something comfy for him, just a little shorts and a shirt. So me take out this for him, and a long time him no wear that. This not bad. This can match with it. Come in. Let me not bad. You go hear him, babe, why you choose me clothes? That's sweat bad. Lighting look weird, huh? You look too bright. It's like we're overexposed.
Stabilize. I
Need a wide angle lens. Guys, when I talk like that, and I make Jason think me smart.
No.
I need to be shooting at 60 frames per second. Yeah. Wide angle lens.
Why you need to shoot that frames per second?
So a video na glitchy.
It's not about glitchy. It's not about that.
So that sounds
We
smart.
need wide angle lens, son.
So we can capture everything properly.
That is a wide angle lens.
This is not a wide angle
It's a wide
lens.
angle
This is a 30mm.
That is a what?
I said something about you that I'm vlogging, so don't watch the vlog when you go up.
What clothes your shoes?
In a room.
From where now?
Yes. I tell him, so you're going to say,
I'm not looking at the clothes, I'm not looking at the clothes.
alright, so my tight lint up. I don't know if you want to walk with the girl in your room. Guys, when I say room, I mean in man cave. So go rub off the lint them for me.
Bro, may I do something, bro?
I'm here, bro.
May I do something?
No, I want the generation to pick up that style, yeah.
Bro, yo.
Bro! Jason met me in here and said, brother, what are you, brother?
Brother.
Don't do that. I want to stop say that.
Don't. Youth.
Rinse lava?
No.
Once we finish bed, I'm going to ring you for you come bed. Oh, I need to add this to my list. I need one water bottle. Because my one drop. Huh? So if I want thing with me, I gotta change my toothbrush. I feel like I change my toothbrush every minute. Wash out this and get right into it. The stuff that I got from Timu, I'm not install them yet, guys. I would never do that. I would never put them up and don't bring them along. The house is literally like how I left the previous house. It's the same curtain from the previous house in the living room, in the bedroom. Guys, I just got out the shower. The lighting looks so much better right here, so if the lighting did off earlier in the video, so sorry about that. As I said, I need a ring light, a Jason square light me I use right now. So hold on there. For lotion, Jergens, it's cucumber and aloe vera. Smells so good and it gets the job done. And my skin always dry. When you talk about dry skin, I mean that. Come now. Alright. And this is my new favorite body spray from Bath and Body. Smells really good. It's pure wonder. Love it. I'm back, and of course the shirt changed because me being me, I mess up the shirt before me leave out, so I did have to take it off. But at the same t-shirt vibes, moment in the car now, and then we're gonna go to the place and then get the things them done. Come on, mommy. Hello, my mommy. So guys, last night we got to bed late. We up attack. After 12 we got to bed, we up attack. My mother and my sister, and it was just so nice. So we come back. Ooh, it's that time again. This is so cute. I think this is my Christmas decor what I did use last Christmas. I like these, but I don't want the back gold again. Ooh. These nice, but I don't want the high. I don't want the back gold. Wow, these look good. And they have a lot. More than the red. I don't know if I can. This me I do. I love this. Guys, what do you think about the Christmas theme here? I love this. This mixed with gold. You see it? Wanna see the picture? Wow. These are cute. I love these. I can see this and this at work. And I can see this and this at work. I love these with this. And this with my settee would have looked so good with the same color curtain. I don't know, I don't feel these. This is this not bad either. I mean, they look good. Okay, okay. Guys, I feel like this I gonna do for my Christmas theme. I'm not sure yet though. I'm not sure. Let's see what I do. He's nice. Sorry. These are cute. You get it? Right where you see lights on in the car. I don't ever know the time. The time just run out. I don't know how. Like the time I move so fast. You can hold? Well, them I try to make it hold in the trunk. Well, it hold. Them just fix it properly. May I go see what I need to do. I definitely need toiletries. I need my phone for charge. Baby, I figure come. I'm putting it down, resting it down. Baby, I can't plug in my charger now. My phone like really dead.
Oh yeah. Alright, before you plug out this, this is it.
Mommy, I come share ask about something for me. May I drink it? Hush.
You can't plug out it.
So I want to put the charge up on the road.
Stabilizer reach 93, man.
I still charge fast?
You know, it's about dead. It's about 30.
Your belly full?
Yeah, it go on yes with itself.
Me never ask Joseph in belly full and him say yes, so I just done feed him. What's wrong?
Belly enough for full, man.
How what you do? The last thing for the night, cause at night time now, may I get the band for the watch. What in here's the name again?
Mobile Treasures.
Oh, Mobile Treasures on Millennium Mall. So I'm sure one of them have. I'm one black. If not black, you don't have the size there?
42.
If you have something that I want to. Black or olive green or I don't want a white or black olive green or one next color may I try think but you know navy blue. Preferably black. Which one? A blue this. I don't mind the blue either. The blue I don't mind. But it really come for black though.
Black is gray.
Oh, and I black this?
No.
You sure?
Oh yeah, that's black, but
Oh.
yeah, black, a black.
Oh, you have the black face? Alright, give me the black and the black face and the black case. Yeah, that's it.
Here you go, it's nice.
Thank you. I love it. Oh, I'm not here. So I'm back home. Well, I reached home good while now, but I was just laying down just to cool off before I go in the shower. And also I have a slight headache. Nothing too crazy, but I can feel that little ringing pain. So I'm going to shower and get back to you guys, show you guys what I got today. I got everything done that I went on the road to do today, which is good. Somebody soon come back. I'm a crush like Kalaloo right now. But I'm a bed me I go so even if I did iron it before I got my bed, but I still wake up, crush up, right? I got this pajama set from a store on Instagram. I can't remember the name, but when I'm editing the video, I'll search for it and insert it for you guys. So you know, if you want one, I can go buy it. Anyways, as I did tell you now, I did need toiletries. So pick up some tissue. I pick up one toothbrush for Jason. Cause I don't know massa. I'm obsessed with changing toothbrush. Not only my toothbrush, everybody toothbrush. I joke, I just me and Jason. I bought this fruit bowl. I love it so much. It's so cute. I keep on and look on it to see if I can pull off nothing in the bathroom with it because of the material inside of the middle. Guys, is the lighting okay? Because I don't have on a ring light. I depend on the light in the living room. But yeah, really nice. So I got this. The price for it is better no could get. I want to see it today. I probably showing it earlier, you know, but it's for $7.50. Love it. I don't know if I even gonna put no fruit in this. Guys, I can't mix style in on the house, you know. Because if I put this in the bathroom, but I just put some washcloth in it. Alright, may I make it stay? May I make it stay? What do you think? It look like a fruit's really going there for sure. May I gonna make it stay? I got the water bottle. It's similar to the one that I had before, and I did one back one just like it. Let me tell you what it failed me upon the last one. You see it? The same thing what happened with the last one. See that? This is how the last one did mash up. I should have never go buy it back. I truly love them because them have the encouraging writing on it. So 7 a.m. rise and shine. Let's get started. Remember your goal. Keep it up halfway there. You can do this. Don't quit now. All in a day's work. So that's why I love it. So got the water bottle. I'm now gonna wash out this tonight. I wash it out tomorrow. Come have some water already. Got some toothpick. Cannot do without these. Cannot. These are some dishcloths. I think that's some of me look. I think, oh, I don't know what is something there, the label, because I did pull it to give mommy one. So it was a blue. I think a blue I did give her. Yeah, I gave her the blue. I love them because them wipe off the counter nice. You can wring them out dry. It look like rag where you would normally use. Come have some rag like this, you know, but they don't have that pattern here. You see the texture? You don't have it, but it just look like, you know, rag where you use wipe your face. But this is for the kitchen. And this, so cute. Guys, $2,180 for it. I love it. So I'm gonna put this. I don't know yet. But we're gonna fix the place together, guys. These days I just love to like, you know, the little green. Talking about greenery in the house. How am I gonna do that to you? Let me go for her. Meet my baby. Her name is Hope. Yeah, my snake plant. Finally put it in the house and it's doing well. I love it. Yeah, okay. Shadow good, shadow good. But they get something to wash the plate. Watch, yeah. Oh, something leak out. The whole of the shower gel leak out. I buy shower gel too. I buy a rag. Bathing rag. But the shower gel in the bathroom because me used it a while ago. Never have any stuff for bathe. So I buy one dishwashing liquid. Yup. And one alcohol, one spray, one for going in my handbag. I probably can't put in my handbag because I realized that none in the house, so probably changed my mind from putting this in my handbag. And one wipes. That's all I got, guys. I'm not do no unnecessary spending. What I want, that I buy, I'm shut me eye tight, and I look for no. Well, except this. Cause I never go for buy this. But just see it and love it and I take it. Now I'm trouble that tonight. Tomorrow we will start because I know if we start. No, let me tell you the time, a matter of fact. 11 past 10. So I'm now going to make trouble that tonight because we're now going to finish it tonight. And then we have to go come back to it tomorrow. I don't want to leave no screw. I just don't want no screw go missing or nothing. So I just leave it alone until tomorrow. So I'm going to make some tea now.
Same time, I'm thinking about this at the same. You hear?
You really gonna drink that? Your belly gonna hurt you.
Nice and everything. Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, yeah, I record.
Alright. Turn on the light. I'm gonna learn the light them meeting, guys. I know I'm gonna learn the light them. I have something where I come to go over the breaker box here. Alright, so the tea is ready. I know it look like water. But a garlic tea, guys. I'm not put no sugar in it. I rarely use sugar sweet in my tea these days, or rarely. And I have the Bible. This is not my Bible. This is Jason's Bible. His mom gifted it to him. And I love it. You just need. So yeah, I always just borrow it. One next Bible around there. Still Jason's Bible. And this journal, it was gifted to me. When I read the Bible some word in it when I don't know, so I always just write it down and then get the meaning. Well, I don't really understand my handwriting, you know. But I've been doing my little thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna just drink my tea, read my Bible, and whatever I read, I'm gonna know the word, but just write it down. I'm not sure if I'm going to look up the words tonight, but I'm gonna write it down so I can just, you know, probably do it through, like, you know, homework. Good morning, beautiful people. So I'm already up and making breakfast. Some soursop tea. To turn this off. In this pot I have some cabbage and cucumber steaming down, and here I have some banana, pumpkin, Irish potato and sweet potato. This is what I'm working with. I have some star fruit, some pineapple, cucumber, ginger. I have some passion fruit and lime. The passion fruit them look a little bit old because I had them since I came to this house, but it can still work. So I'm gonna blend this up and see what it's gonna give.
Alright, as we come here, we're about to consume some food. We want to thank you for blessing us with something to eat. Bless those who don't have it to eat. Provide them with something. In your name we pray, amen.
Ready? So guys, ignore the wet shirt. Just finished washing my hair. We're gonna set up the something now. And I'm so excited. We need to go for we need the scissors though. There we go, please. Lend me it, my scissors. And me by the, oh no. The bigger one and me by the bigger one.
Not bigger.
The reason why I make a buy one scissors for myself because you used to hide this from me. You hide it here. So we're gonna set up now. The lights, one of the lights are coming through the right. A little bit better? Alright, better. Yeah! I take up a light one. It's better than. Oh, guys, yesterday start pulling the one here because he didn't want to set up here and surprise me. But me tell him, say no. I want me and him to do it together. Should I just make him set up here and surprise me? God no. Because me didn't want to bring him along with it. But now me I rethink it. I probably should have just make him surprise me.
Alright.
No, I should have just leave you alone when you did set up it by yourself. Because no, me I look and see a whole heap of things. What I did was to record how you look when it's set up. So we can use that, you know, just to see what we are doing. Even though the manual in there, but I think that was a good idea. Just to, you know, take the picture of the place. Not even picture, one video I take when it's fully set up. My key, this alone. This is not my fault. Why the bag burst? The bag burst. God have mercy, help me. Yeah? The bag burst. Where something them coming now? It screw them. Come here, babe. Come help me. Come on then. You know what should I do? Use the vacuum and get up everything. Carry one plate come when you come. Yeah, the bag burst with the screw them and almost everything that's showing.
I'm coming. Come on.
Yeah, yes, I use your brain.
I don't feel here.
When me have yours,
Yeah, I'll be that.
babe, stop it. You say you can't hold it. Alright, that's true. Come here, Jason. I need your help. Babe, stop calling me, Charlie.
What did I do with you? If I'm sure how ladies stay. If a man always out with his friends, then you only have time for your friends. Then. But when a man make you his friend, I come complaining. You guys don't know what you all want.
Jason, that is so messed up what you said.
Yeah.
Because me tell us don't call me Charlie, you go for that the weak analogy.
Can I give me full name?
Come, take up the middle me. Thanks.
Because
Love you so much.
my mother can use me as a trick.
Yeah, books me, guys. Right now, I don't know what them me and look running up there. See the rest of school. Alright, no, you hold it. You don't know what them do.
Let me get it. Judge. You get it.
So I want to do that little shiny something there. Around there. Right in front there. Yeah, there. What I think next something do like on the school.
No, babe.
Okay, great. Alright, come here.
Yeah, come here.
I don't know what to do. Guys, we don't know what to do. First thing we need to see manual. We don't know which box the manual is. But I'm not telling a lie, I wish me didn't make them set up in. You know what I'm Because at this point, Alright, tell me
Oh,
that.
man, I see you good, man.
Long time I see my ear though.
No. No, I missed the falls here now. Hey, what is up now? We are together.
So how we work together, you can drink lemonade and I give me none. Give me some.
No, you're not young.
Give me nothing.
No, you have to ask
Can I
properly.
get something, baby?
No, you have to say I'm in charge.
You come back with that foolishness
You
then?
can't say me in charge? Alright, then we're okay.
I give me little. No, me not for food. Me not sell out for food.
I was
Me not
wondering.
sell out myself for food.
I was wondering, me, I watch you. Okay, watch you.
And this just not going so far, guys.
So, you know
That
what?
little stop me up.
You know what? I still mine. Iandra Babooram, for the love of God, but turn off the fan. They don't complain about someone and you video them. My God, if I'm not even blow yourself.
Talk to her, daddy.
Yo, hold this. Why is someone if you hold it?
Me a
You
hold.
can't hold it. Come around there, sir. Yo. God. Where we lead, I will follow. You remember what that song is? I used to love your music.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, no.
The shell. I just realized I'm gonna tell you now what I'll know.
Comment below everything, every guess what you have.
Yeah.
Please don't wait till the video don't comment. Don't cheat. Just comment what you think it is. Make it fun.
Yeah. I already get hints in the first part of the vlog. All I know say it's not a stove or that's a comment.
Yeah.
It's not an
This
appliance.
could be a stove, because we couldn't build a stove.
And you know some feel like I can't build a stove?
Oh, I don't think we do like it.
Guys, if I just feel like I can't look dirty.
How much was there?
So I can't send a manual, babe. No, they're gonna put manual in there. So it's white.
When I tell y'all that not even me don't know what. Like me have an idea what, but really and truly don't know.
I use the bathroom and come.
And I will wait till you come out.
I'm just a girl.
Anybody guess that's a component set? If you guess it, I'll send you $20 and PayPal.
That's what I do. You know what? So, what is it?
Lion don't need cutting paper. When me I moved, the only thing that gave me a headache was the TV because I was like, yo, I ain't want nothing to do with this shit.
Oh.
Hey, come drive that side. See better than what?
We don't want to go make it touch your TV.
No, we don't know, be careful.
Okay.
Accidents happen because we don't know, we can't predict the future.
Okay. If they see that, they're going to know why not.
Yeah. So what? Them big gun get started. So that's how we come through.
See, they see this, they know what.
So, let them guess.
Thank you for cause
They would make it to those days. That's it.
no. You know say you can make mistake and I put in there.
Well, not this one.
Step 1. Nap time.
Alright, it's time to use the gather one. And fix it up.
Read the manual.
Okay, so according to this, it's a fixture, yeah. That's a Jamaican manual. That's a look for manual.
But let's see if you see finished product.
Yeah, that we need to see. We don't need to see none of the rest of stuff. Okay. a foot them, yeah?
Look, so. Look, so.
Bro, I have 1 million sitting this, you know?
No. Okay, let me a second. Sit. Could you get back to it later?
No.
What's that now? Why you don't
No, because when me ready for do me, you want to do later, you gotta tell me about this. Make your jump in there.
Raise up. Come on, bro.
Billy.
Billy.
So, we can do it one of two ways. We can start with the bottom piece, which look harder, or we can just assemble the top piece, which look easier. Assemble the top piece first and get it out of the way, which would help minimize the confusion. You know, in other side, I'm just say.
Why would I listen
I'm
to
just say.
So basically, you're saying the Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, of the exilipocrite.
So I would say do the easier part, so we lessen the amount of things around with.
Yeah, so it's the top part.
So guys, let's do the top part.
Two longest pieces to the side.
Let's get into it.
How many juice there?
Oh, so you put them there.
Oh yeah, but they look fair. Yeah, but see that? I think you might want to take off like.
The sticker?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I saw them to go. Yeah, them come together, so we have to screw them.
Okay. So you want to
Wait there, how much shell for?
come with the box. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Eh? No, yeah. Eh? Oh, 4.
You're asking, you know, wonder what?
Yeah, 4 of them. When they get set over, or they get set? Oh, I have a video, babe. Yeah, so I'm not serve no purpose.
Who does that?
No, but that's what I say, that's saying.
No, really and truly, if this, if we can't find a piece of this, that means that we are going on the two separate sides. That's crazy.
No, wait, me just gonna show you. Are these we get?
Hold on, babe. Hold on. See, so the proof is in the pudding. Hold on. Here's the caliphate. I don't know if you notice.
I told that each up together now.
No, but wait, no. Look here.
Sorry.
Damn, I don't hear work together. This obviously I show me. Look on the thinness of this. That means
I eat that.
yeah, have two sides.
And then I have got big shell.
What? Just wait now. Look. So that the power come in and so show me say this. On one side pizza. And this on one side pizza. So come build it up with a concept. Wait. You can so we need to find. Wow. If you notice in the box, the only piece where you see was so tall of that. So that means one side of a one side of the next one. There's no double piece of it. That piece look like it's such a cap. Yeah. It bust.
Can I sleep?
You know? So we need the top piece. Is the top piece different? I'm gonna assume say top piece of okay and that. Alright, so here we have let me tell you how to simplify it. Let's find the 3 shells.
Alright.
Yeah, let's find the 3 shells. And look, these are different from every other one.
Them that over the phone? No, them that door.
No, it must be this, must be this. How much of this there?
3, 2.
Girl, nah, can I
Watch
see?
out. It's like base.
It's a base.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We can't start do this when I start out the screw.
Then when I don't know the screen baby, you just try to see how it fit.
What weird? Alright. Baby, you know that separately then use?
And that me I say. Go. No, what I know? It probably easy. Hold on, wait. That's all it was. What the paper? Hey paper.
I don't know. Hey, man, no.
You that's the manual.
Babe, look at the behind look, behind this. That. There. My finger there.
And that's the manual. If that's the manual we have.
Babe, are you last did I use it? Alright, what is
No, hold on. Wait.
Baby, something I'm dropping off?
The two slab them go this side. So you see them here? Them two here, we need a pen. A pencil.
No, a pen?
Alright, so I'll show you things better now. Watch this.
Here.
Alright. How do we screw on these? Yeah, this.
Come with number, no way number them money.
Oh, whenever men be screw on with your number.
No, but
No. You look on the type of something, and based on the number where it say, the number of
Oh,
hours.
yeah, match it back here. Alright, look where number say for this. P15.
If you what? No, yes, I sure. I remember that.
I don't know, but what may I show you P15? P15 and this, we need this.
That's a little bit. I must prank this.
Got to be a prank.
Well, me, not top me, I said, 2 pieces of sitting. I'll tell you that. Well, show them what time it is now. Show them what time it is. Number 1, verse 1, say, it is required that the back be placed within the sides. How them people call the back? Exactly. Still don't know me I chat system.
This is for the. Should I tell you guys? You probably done guess by now. But for the seat, you know the one. Yeah, please put them in. And they might be screwing up. Wow, we get somewhere, babe. And look at things like that. Do 1 or 2 things, you know. There's no angel was never that bad. So that, the long piece there, I put one and pound that little shell, fruit for the shell. Yeah, that's the middle part I.
Yeah, position. It's nice, Miss Dong, so I'm going to say that beat me. Is that the back? Oh, good, clear. I try to sit in a class and in my yarn so they not learn. So me I take my time and ask you to say, you know, go the way. Alright, 1 and 2. Where is 1 and 2?
Pass the jar the beer, you know. I'm going to stick up in next jar. Oh, God.
Alright. Oh, we can make one. One of these.
Not Congo drum.
Man, not Congo drum.
Where is Congo drum? Where is your own people say that?
African babe, African beats. Alright, wait a minute, tell us the next week. There's a chance where you have back and forth. Alright, baby.
Yeah.
Well, we can't. So, we need some pull it out. That plastic. Boy. So many optimism and bright ideas. Alright, where we get it? Me I say cheese chicks for some reason. Me I say a cheese chicks and me I meditate. Me I say cheese chicks at the rank and me cheese chicks.
You're hungry?
Alright, maybe I that. I'll put my cheese back with my food. Maybe the afternoon. Where are you? Oh. Maybe cerebellum one activating. Maybe like open up and go.
If you look at the manual, look at the manual and see which number for a handle. Oh, let's see.
Yeah, now you're right, you know, man.
I hope you do.
Real talk.
But yeah, maybe I'll get you right.
Now we know we always figure it out.
We always figure it out.
I just want to connect one piece.
Oh, crazy girl. Oh no.
20, 14, 11, and 12. 10 and 11, what 10 and 11 then? That make you look like say it gonna be the same size and length. What are you mama speaking?